Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to turn your garden into a 2025 paradise? Discover the top 10 DIY hacks revolutionizing home gardening, no matter your space. Get ready for easy, affordable, and genius ideas to make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. First up, vertical gardens, perfect for small spaces and big impact. Imagine herbs cascading from a repurposed pallet or strawberries climbing a DIY trellis. Even a frame of succulents can transform a wall. Vertical gardens boost air circulation, reduce disease, and make harvesting easy. Start simple. Try a recycled can herb garden, then experiment as you grow more confident. Let your creativity bloom and share your vertical garden pics below. I love upcycling, and your garden is the perfect place to get creative. Old pallets become rustic planters or benches with a little paint, while broken pots, teacups, and even tires make unique homes for plants. Embrace imperfections and let your personality shine through your planters. Upcycling reduces waste and adds character, gardening at its most creative. Gather those forgotten treasures and show off your upcycled planters in the comments. Meet the seeding square, a game changer for perfect seed spacing and healthy growth. No more crowded seedlings or wasted space. This color-coded tool makes planting foolproof. Just lay it on your soil, follow the grid, and plant. Easy. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, it's a must-have for thriving plants. Give it a try and watch your garden flourish. Weeds, every gardener's nemesis. No matter how much care you put into your garden, those pesky invaders always seem to find a way in. They compete with your precious plants for water, nutrients, and sunlight, making it harder for your vegetables and flowers to thrive. If you've ever spent hours pulling weeds by hand, you know how relentless they can be. But don't worry, there are natural, effective ways to keep your garden weed-free without resorting to harsh chemicals. Skip the chemicals and try this simple homemade weed killer instead. All you need is a gallon of white vinegar, a cup of salt, and a tablespoon of dish soap. Vinegar is a natural acid that dries out weeds, salt dehydrates them further, and dish soap helps the mixture stick to the leaves for maximum effectiveness. Just mix these ingredients together in a large container or bucket, and you're ready to tackle those stubborn weeds. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and spray it directly onto the weeds, making sure to thoroughly coat the leaves. Be careful to avoid your desirable plants, as this mixture can harm them too. For best results, apply the solution on a sunny day when rain isn't expected, so the mixture has time to work its magic. The vinegar and salt work together to kill the weeds by drawing out moisture and breaking down their cell walls, while the dish soap ensures the solution clings to the leaves. Within a day or two, you'll notice the weeds turning brown and wilting away, making them easy to remove from your garden beds. To prevent new weeds from sprouting, mulch around your plants with organic materials like wood chips, straw, or shredded leaves. Mulch acts as a natural barrier, blocking sunlight and making it difficult for weed seeds to germinate. It also helps retain moisture in the soil and keeps your garden looking neat and tidy. By using these eco-friendly tips, you'll keep your garden healthy, green, and free from unwanted weeds. Not only are you protecting your plants, but you're also caring for the environment by avoiding synthetic herbicides. Embrace these natural solutions and enjoy a thriving, harmonious garden where your plants can flourish and you can take pride in your sustainable gardening practices. Add color and fragrance anywhere with container flowers, perfect for patios, balconies, or windowsills. Use anything from terracotta pots to vintage finds for unique displays. Start with easy blooms like geraniums, zinnias, or petunias for non-stop color. Mix colors and textures to match your style and have fun experimenting. Grab your favorite pots and let's get planting. Foodscaping blends beauty and bounty. Grow edibles alongside ornamentals for a stunning, practical garden. Try Swiss chard, cherry tomatoes, or fragrant herbs for color and flavor. Mix herbs with flowers. Let cucumbers climb with clematis or border with lettuces. Think beyond rows. Create a garden that feeds your eyes and your table. Start foodscaping and enjoy fresh harvests right from your backyard. Matrix planting mimics nature. Combine different species for a resilient, balanced garden. Diverse plants deter pests, improve soil, and conserve water by shading the ground. Mix plants with different root systems and needs for a self-sustaining ecosystem. Try classic combos like corn, beans, and squash for mutual benefits. Research companion plants for your region and experiment with groupings. Let your garden thrive naturally with matrix planting. Embracing natural landscaping is about celebrating the unique beauty of your region and working in harmony with the environment. Instead of forcing exotic plants to survive in unfamiliar conditions, you can create a thriving, resilient garden by choosing species that are native to your area. These plants have evolved over centuries to flourish in your local climate, soil, and weather patterns, making them a perfect fit for your landscape. By using native plants, you're not only reducing the need for excessive watering and chemical fertilizers, but you're also saving time and effort on maintenance. Native gardens are naturally adapted to local rainfall and temperature, so they require far less intervention to stay healthy and beautiful. This means you can enjoy a lush, vibrant garden that practically takes care of itself, even during dry spells or extreme weather. One of the most rewarding aspects of natural landscaping is the way it supports local wildlife. Native plants provide essential food and shelter for birds, butterflies, bees, and countless other beneficial insects. As your garden matures, you'll notice an increase in pollinators and songbirds, creating a lively, ever-changing ecosystem right outside your door. This not only adds beauty and movement to your yard, but also helps maintain the delicate balance of nature in your community. To get started, take some time to research which native plants are best suited to your specific region and garden conditions. There are many resources available, from books and online guides to local experts who can help you make informed choices. Visiting a nearby nursery that specializes in native species is a great way to see what's available and get advice tailored to your needs. Connecting with native plant societies or gardening groups can be incredibly helpful. These organizations offer workshops, plant sales, and expert guidance, making it easier to learn about the best practices for natural landscaping. You'll also meet like-minded gardeners who share your passion for sustainability and biodiversity. As your garden grows, it will become a haven for wildlife, a sanctuary where birds, butterflies, and beneficial insects can thrive. Watching these creatures interact with your plants brings a sense of wonder and connection to the natural world, turning your outdoor space into a living, breathing ecosystem. By choosing native plants, you're playing a vital role in preserving local biodiversity. Every plant you add helps support the web of life in your area, from the tiniest pollinator to larger animals that depend on healthy habitats. Your efforts contribute to a more resilient and sustainable environment for future generations. Best of all, natural landscaping creates a beautiful, sustainable space for you and your family to enjoy. Imagine relaxing in a garden filled with color, fragrance, and the gentle sounds of nature, a true retreat from the stresses of daily life. By connecting with nature in your own backyard, you transform your garden into a local sanctuary, a place where people and wildlife can flourish together. Embrace natural landscaping and discover the joy of living in harmony with the world around you. Imagine stepping outside your door and entering a tranquil oasis, a garden designed not just for beauty, but for your well-being. Transforming your garden into a wellness retreat is about creating a space where you can truly relax, recharge, and escape the stresses of daily life. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small patio, you can craft a personal sanctuary that nurtures your body, mind, and spirit. Start by envisioning how you want to feel in your garden: calm, refreshed, and at peace. Find a quiet corner that feels tucked away from the hustle and bustle. Add comfortable seating. Think a hammock gently swaying between two trees, or a pair of cozy chairs nestled under a leafy canopy. Include a small table for your favorite book or a cup of herbal tea. These simple touches invite you to linger, encouraging moments of stillness and reflection. If space allows, create multiple seating nooks throughout your garden, each offering a unique perspective and a sense of privacy. The gentle sound of water can instantly soothe the mind. Consider adding a water feature, such as a small fountain, a bubbling bird bath, or a pond with floating water lilies. The rhythmic flow of water not only masks unwanted noise, but also attracts birds and butterflies, bringing your garden to life. Even a simple tabletop fountain can create a calming ambiance, making your outdoor space feel like a true retreat. Choose plants that delight your senses and promote relaxation. Lavender, chamomile, and jasmine are perfect for their calming scents and soft, soothing colors. Plant them near seating areas so you can enjoy their fragrance as you unwind. Incorporate other aromatic herbs like mint, rosemary, or thyme, which can be used for teas or simply enjoyed for their fresh scent. The act of tending to these plants can be meditative, grounding you in the present moment. Enhance the comfort of your wellness space with soft textures, plush outdoor cushions, cozy throws, and even a soft rug underfoot. As the sun sets, gentle lighting transforms your garden into a magical retreat. Hang string lights overhead, place lanterns along pathways, or scatter candles on tables to create a warm, inviting glow. Lighting not only extends the time you can spend outdoors, but also sets a peaceful mood for evening relaxation or meditation. Your garden can become your personal sanctuary, a place designed to nurture your mind and spirit. Set aside a spot for meditation, yoga, or simply quiet contemplation. Surround yourself with elements that bring you joy, whether it's a favorite sculpture, wind chimes, or a collection of potted plants. Let your garden reflect your personality and support your journey toward wellness. Ultimately, create a space that invites you to unwind, slow down, and reconnect with nature. Whether you're sipping tea, reading, meditating, or simply breathing in the fresh air, your wellness garden becomes a haven, a place where you can restore your energy and find peace every single day. Walkways add charm and function, guide visitors, and create flow in your garden. Pea gravel is affordable and easy to install. Just lay landscape fabric and spread the gravel. Stepping stones or log slices make whimsical, personalized paths. Mix materials, shapes, and patterns for unique designs. Add solar lights or potted plants for extra flair. Build pathways that invite exploration and make your garden truly yours. That's it. 10 genius hacks to transform your garden into a paradise. Try these tips, experiment, and enjoy the journey of gardening. Subscribe for more and share your favorite hack in the comments. Happy gardening!